Hang up your coat, kick off your shoes, grab your favorite beverage, and join me for this week's best steals and deals on four wheels. We've recently been on the hunt for a cheaper winter project for one of our customers, specifically a solid F-body Mopar that will serve as our next bone shaker drag racing ready rolling chassis. If you are a true Mopar enthusiast, you've probably realized that the F-bodies are considered inferior cars of the 1970s. But these cars missed all of the big block and Hemi fun. But in 1978, these cars were offered as kit cars and as Richard Petty branded race cars. These Fs make a great bracket or race car, and the models have a lot of hidden advantages in their engineering. The downside of the F-body is that the repair panel and restoration parts market has far less coverage than any other of popular Mopar models. But I'm a loyal Mopar fanatic, and much like the talking Mopar's bumper sticker that's on the back of my Ram Dually, no Mopars are left behind. Check out the Talking Mopars podcast when you have a chance. This week's F-body search had several strong nominations that didn't make the top 5, but don't fret, because even though we won't highlight all of them, the links are available in the description so you can chase these down if you want to. Nominations included some fantastic factory-like condition cars, like this orange Rockstar Special Edition small block car that we found in the October edition of Hemmings magazine, selling on Gateway Classics in Dearborn, Michigan for $27,000. Or this other example of a stunning ultra-low mileage Aspen sedan with cold AC in a small block that is damn near perfect as it sits in Irwin, Pennsylvania. The car has a walk-around video and is an ideal match for the cover car on the Chilton's repair manual printed in 1998. It's a great deal at $7,250. Or how about this crazy clean wagon that we found over on the FMJ Bodies forum that is ready to take the entire family to any car show or an event. We saw this car even debuted on some recent indie films on YouTube. It's just $12,000. Number 5. This week, the number 5 car is the most expensive of the bunch, an excellent 78 Dodge Aspen with a 5-year-old shiny black paint job. It's ready to rock with this lovely mild cam small block, rear window louvers, and a duckbill wing on the trunk. And it still bears RT tags and looks really nice. We picked this one because the list of new parts makes this almost a turnkey get-in-and-go F-body. Located in Northeast Ohio, you can pick this one up and stop by the Naval Memorial Museum on your way back, where the USS Cod Gatto-class fleet sub is parked in Richfield, Ohio. We picked this one because the interior of this baby looks damn near brand new, and because it's already trimmed out nicely with a bunch of fresh updates and a few mild mods. Sporting a 360 LA motor, 727 torque flight, an 8 3/4 with longer leg 323s, and a new radiator. It's an excellent and finished deal at $15,000. Number 4. This 77 is the one you can't miss. Even the two-tone yellow and beige paint are growing on me as I edit the episode. First, I love any stick-shift Mopar, regardless if it's behind a gas-saving slant 6 or a nitro-raving, gnarly big block. This F-body has raised white-letter Cooper Cobras and a bunch of replacement parts, including brakes, suspension, driveline, and a few tasteful and smartly installed mods that come in handy later on. This car is registered and located in Tucker, Georgia, about 15 miles northeast of downtown Atlanta. We found this one on Craigslist Cars and Trucks for Sale under the City of Atlanta within the OTP South pages. The owner says it runs and drives excellent. We love the price of this car deal, coming in at a paltry $7,900. Number 3. We perused eBay for a bit before we found this clean-looking 78 Dodge Aspen. It's a small block and comes colored in 2 tones of beige, red with deep red interior. You just have to love the potential of a small block stick shift banging F-body. This car is located in infamous country classic cars in Staunton, Illinois, right off of historic Route 66, about 40 miles northeast of St. Louis, Missouri. Whether you want to walk the lot and look at a bunch of other antique muscle and iron, or take a trip inside the arch that hovers over the Mississippi River, or perhaps even hit the track at Gateway International, there is plenty to do when you visit this place. This one is the right price at just under $5,000. Number 2. This week's Dose Auto is a total score if you're looking for a roller two-door. It's a 77 with a title, and this Dodge is already drag race ready, decked out with a fuel cell and battery in the trunk. With lightweight fiberglass and seemingly fresh paint, this bad girl is ready to take on a big block and reporting for drag race duty. I see a bunch of goodies like a Cheetah STS shifter, a back-braced 8 3/4 with a 513, Caltrax, Willwood brakes in the front, a nice set of gauges and a lightweight dash, Tide frame, 6-pack fiberglass hood, fiberglass trunk and bumper, a Griffin radiator, drag lights already dressed with radials and skinnies. You can't beat the price of this roller at $4,750 cannolis. Steal of the Week, number 1. The Steal of the Week is a 1979 Aspen Coupe, the lowest price in this video. Interior is nearly mint with a mint-looking dash pad. The best part is that this beauty is already a small block car. This one is located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The area is known for great restaurants, tours, and sightseeing, along with some fascinating parks and walking tours that can give you a place to take your first photos on your drive home. This car is the Steal of the Week, priced at a paltry $3,750. If you like this kind of YouTube show, please do like and subscribe and opt for notifications so that you can get updates as we release a show every week. If you want to vote on what we cover next, or you have a car that you'd like to suggest that you might be selling, go to v8vote.com and nominate a new model or submit your muscle car classic for the next upcoming issue of Steals and Deals. Thanks for watching.